don't give up on me yet. I know I'm not your best bet, but I'm trying. Don't give up on me yet. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Don't leave me here alone. I know I need to grow still, and I'm trying, but don't leave me here alone.
I know I've come so far, but got so far to go. And with these brand new scars, this broken heart is hard to really know if there's a reason and if I'll ever see it. But I wanna believe, so don't give up on me, yeah.
Me time and time again, but I still need reminding. I know it makes no sense. I know I've come so far, but got so far to go.
Got so far to go.
And with these brand new scars and this broken heart, it's hard to really know if there's a reason and if I've ever seen. But I wanna believe it.
Please, don't give up on me, yeah.
Please, God.
Don't give up on me. Please,
Don't give up on me.
His grace will never run out.
No, it won't.
There's enough to go round and round. His love's an ocean where your shame is drowned. If you know what He knows, then you know.
His grace will never run out. There's enough to go round and round. His love's an ocean where your shame is drowned. If you know what He knows, then you know.
His grace will never run out. There's enough to go round and round. His love's an ocean where your shame is drowned. If you know what He knows, then you know He won't give up on you.
He won't give up on you.
If you know what He knows, then you know He won't give up on me. God, I know I'm not the same, but you knew that I would change, and I think that you're trying to tell me it's okay. Whoa. I know I've come so far, but got so far to go. And with these brand new scars, it's